Hey Mattel, take notes. This Fank here is really cool. This is a factory custom rose gold or bronze Fank, however you like to see it. Not only do we get this Fank, we also get a factory custom tractor to come along with it. This was released in 2025 as a factory custom. These are fake bootlegs, knockoff cars, but you know, I mean, they look incredibly cool. I mean, just look at how cool Fank is compared to his regular red release, which we will compare him to in a few minutes here. But yeah, you could get these guys on AliExpress, I believe, for like, what, £10? And the tractor for like £3 something. Really cheap. Go check them out. If I do, I'll leave a link in the comments below so you guys can purchase them. But if not, just go on AliExpress and search up Fank. It's that easy. So yeah, let's start off with the tractor. So yeah, we can leave Fank to last. So yep, here is the Roze Gold Ford tractor. I did do a short on this guy about, what, 4 months ago now, around October time. He looks really cool. And yeah, he doesn't appear in the movie like this, but I did want to compare him to a regular tractor, which was released a few years ago now. So yep, you can see here, just the massive differences between the paint. Obviously the tyre is like this silver colour, and overall it just looks really cool. I mean, you can see the difference here between the Cheryl tractor. If I zoom all the way in, you guys know what I mean. Looks really cool. I really do love this tractor, and you can see the spots there are the same, but you know, others are slightly different. And the factory custom has this like glossy paint, whereas the official one has this matte paint here. So yeah, you can see again how cool these items actually are. Mattel, just take some notes and release some wild stuff. I mean, if you don't want to give Disney money, like as much money as you want, then just release stuff like this, like wacky cars, sidelines. This tractor would be really cool. I would love to see a metallic tractor in the near future, wouldn't you guys? And yeah, here you guys go if you are interested. We have the base here. Obviously this one doesn't have any base markings whatsoever, but this one here is the official 2017 release as a deluxe. Obviously I believe this is actually the Cars 3 release. But there is that tractor. I did want to compare him to some other factory custom tractors we do have from, you know, AliExpress, China, etc. Got the white cow model, which is again a really cool one, as he does want to become a tractor. We also do have the green with white spots. Again, a really cool factory custom out there. And also, I can't forget the green with brown spots as well. And also in 2025, we did get a tank coat racing tractor, which is something Mattel haven't made, but they did cancel it. So I'm glad the factory customizers have done their job there. But yeah, there is a look at the tractor for the time being. And I did want to quickly compare them to the factory custom version of the regular tractor. As you can see, yeah, slightly different colours. And I believe, yep, this is a factory custom because it doesn't have any base markings. So there you guys go. There is a look at the Roze Gold tractor. But now for the, you know, diecast you all come to see is the Fank. He looks absolutely cool. You could just see here his expression is the same. I don't know how exactly I am going to review him. I'm going to have to move this tractor all the way out. Here is a regular Fank we have from Mattel, and you could just see, obviously, let's move the light back slightly so I can get my hands in. You can see the colour difference. This is like a red and this is a bronze. Yeah, it just looks really cool. You can see the red here. And again, if I show you guys, you can see the dirt decaling on the wheels here. And obviously Fank is a combine harvester. Yeah, you can see the back there. Obviously this bit does move, but it's plastic and obviously non-removable. There is his blade. A really cool Fank. I love this Fank. And if you take a close look at the base here, you can see it just says China. If I get you know, a close-up image. There you go. You can see the base there. Not only is there rose gold bronze Fank, there is also a green Fank factory custom as well. Just again, the factory customizers do an excellent job of making factory customizers or factory customs, because there is also the green bulldozer and the red bulldozer. Maybe soon we'll get like a blue bulldozer. That would be so cool. Or blue Cars 1 regular Lightning McQueen, not in his Dinoco form. That would be pretty cool as well. You can just see here the side of this Fank. And I did want to quickly compare him to a factory custom regular Fank, because I believe this is a factory custom. Yep, again it just says China there. So these two are both factory customs, and you can just see how cool they are. Guys, if you have the chance, get this Fank. Like, get both of them, I would say. But yeah, get this one, because you don't know how long it's going to be around for. I believe people like Diecast Dungeon have him for sale, if you don't like buying from AliExpress. But yeah, there is one other Fank I did want to quickly compare him to, which is a cleaner version, because I have this Fank here, which is like more of a dirty version. If you look at his blade, and the blade is like metal, I believe, so it makes it heavier. But yeah, and this blade here is like slack plastic, and again this one is an official release. But yeah, that is, I believe, pretty much it for today's video. I know it's only about 7 minutes long. Again, I just want to show you guys these close up quickly together. Feel free to take some screenshots, obviously, for the wiki, if you guys even care about me and the screenshots for them. But, you know, just in case. There you guys go. Let's try and hit 31,000 subscribers soon on the channel. And don't forget to subscribe, of course. And to the next video, which will be on Sunday. Peace, everybody.